I'm Ian. I'm from Dice Diversity. We are a social inclusion group who teach social and communication skills to neurodiverse people. We're out here at Cancon. We are running Dead Man's Hand, which is a cowboy game, but I've also made it into a Star Wars Dead Man's Hand. So we've had a few people come out and play. It's a skirmish game. It's a lot of fun. It's not very serious, and people have really enjoyed it. We also have a Plinko dice roller where people can win prizes. And so we just come out to Cancon to get our name out there, get contacts in the industry, and provide free stuff to people. We're a small family business who have about 130 people who come to play D&D weekly. We've grown from 4 people to 135. Per week we have a venue. And people with neurodiversity and people without are obviously more than welcome to come and play. We have a program, works really well with D&D, and people are really happy with us, which in the ACT we kept growing because, Canberra's a small town. But yeah, Cancon's been really good. I've been here for the last 20 odd years, playing for the first 10, and then we've been here since 2021 with a booth. Get to talk to lots of people from interstate and from Canberra, and it's really valuable for what we actually do.